Ooh, prepare to be sick of me, sugar. I'm about to show you how to make my Caribbean hot shrimp using the Grand. Now, ever since it dropped, I've been showing you how to use the Grand in your everyday cooking, all right? Now, this is my very special oil, house-crafted, Delta 8 THC extra virgin olive oil. And there's a new flavor coming out in September also, so keep watching, sugar. Now we're gonna do this Caribbean hot shrimp using the new spice that's coming out, and I'm getting it all over. Okay, this is also good if you want to marinate it. Make sure you get that D8 all down in that scrimp. Yes, and then add on the powder spice mixture that I make for you. That's going to be coming out in September. All right, now once you've got that well coated, you can let it sit in the fridge or just let it sit for a few minutes on the counter to marinate. Then start to put it on a oiled rack. So let's go ahead and add a half stick of butter and some Grand. As much as you like, sugar. Add the peppers and your onions. You can also add some spring onions that I've got mixed in there somewhere, and just start to stir it down. Now you want to go ahead and cook this until the veggies are nice and soft, but still have a beautiful color. Now you saw what I just added, so make sure you do that and just let it cook slow and low. It's gonna build into a beautiful hot sauce that we're gonna use as a drizz for our Caribbean hot shrimp. This is what the shrimp looks like coming out of there. I'm hitting it with a little bit of lime juice, and then we'll be ready to go ahead and get this baby poured up. Look how beautiful. Don't overcook the shrimp. Let it stay nice and big and plump because you want it juicy, baby. We're gonna add some more of that hot sauce over it, and look. Ooh, you can go ahead and garnish with your parsley, lemon zest, but look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, you've got to make this. Make sure you get the Grand by going onto my website at SugarPearl'sOnline.com and cook it, sugar. It's SugarPearl's, food that loves you back.